How to use pay later feature on PayPal. Welcome back to our channel. In order to use PayPal pay later feature on mobile app, you could either select the options at an online merchant's checkout or apply for an in-store virtual card within the app. What you need is, if you're shopping online, you could select PayPal at checkout. When shopping at an online store, you could choose PayPal as your payment method. And once logged into your account during checkout, you could look for and select pay later options. You can just select your plan, whether it's pay in 4 or pay in month. That is how you're supposed to use PayPal pay later feature. And you could also get instant approval as well. And if you're shopping in store, you could apply in the app. That just open up your PayPal app and navigate to the pay later options. You will be able to find it in the menu bar, and this is where you can go ahead and select to apply a specific amount before you reach the registrations or register. And if approved, you could select your preferred monthly repayment plan as well, and you could add it to your digital wallet as well. So this way, you're supposed to use the pay later feature on PayPal app. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.